Make $230 a day on YouTube without making any videos. Welcome to Financial Freedom. This is my channel. My name is Anna. I'm so glad and so happy that you're here and you found this video. So how to make $230 a day on YouTube without ever making any videos. So this topic is basically about, or this video is basically about how to not showing your face, just do some sort of voiceover or just collect some sort of clips or images and stuff like that, and then shoot over to the sky. Obviously it's not going to happen like overnight, but this is why we're here to talk about this, and let me guide you through for that. So basically how you can make like $230 or even $2,300 a day on YouTube without making any single videos. The first step is that to do the research, you need to do and you need to take time for doing researches. But the good news are that you have all the tools for that. It's all available, and there was not even a better timing than right now to do that. So you need to decide, because we're talking about like a niche channels and niche topics, what it means that you're not going to show your face, so you're not going to build up like a personal brand. You need to choose something that you're really interested about, okay? And what is really important, there's nothing like oversaturated market, okay? Please, if there is just one single tip what you take away from this video, it could be the following: that there is no oversaturation, because everything that you're doing is unique, because no one else can do it like the same way like you're doing, okay? Even that you're not showing your face, you're not putting yourself in front of the camera, but you're going to collect something, you're going to build up something that is completely unique. So in terms of that, there is no oversaturation. So you need to find first what you really like, and or at least you're interested about that. This is at the beginning, and then where you already set up your channel, you can open up like more channels and you can do something which you're really not interested about, like I don't know, like you can find out different topics, which is you do the research and you find out that this is something valuable and people are looking for that and searching for that and watching all those videos, so interested about a topic, but you don't care at all. So that's in the longer run. So let's see how you can do your research. First, what I recommend you to use is, this is a tool, and this is a very important tool, even if you are like, not just if you're kind of a YouTuber, but if you want to build like an Instagram business or Facebook or TikTok, which is recently very popular. So you can go here, socialblade.com, and you can find out which are the platforms. Like first you can see here, I've already chosen YouTube, but you can see here if you click right above that there are like YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, Instagram and stuff like that. So you can choose which platform you want to conquer, which platform you want to do your research. So you just go here. I've already chosen YouTube, so you can see the top 50 YouTubers, the top 100 YouTube channels, and also you can, if you find some very famous or very popular YouTube channel, you can put here, enter YouTube username, and you can do your research for that. It's completely for free. It doesn't require any single cent from your side, and you can use it in a very great way. And if you download the application, which you can do here right at the bottom, somewhere here, it's like browser extensions. You can do it for Firefox or the Chrome as well, or you can download the mobile app as well. I highly recommend you, because after that, once you open like a channel or once you open up a video, you could see right away here on the right side that the estimated monthly revenue or earnings, what this channel is making month per month. Okay, so I've chosen this one. Like this is very popular recently, like luxurious, like build up a channel for luxurious things, maybe luxurious mansions or luxurious cars or luxurious travel destinations, or you can choose whatever you like. Okay, luxurious thing is just an example, luxurious lifestyle. What you can do, for instance, here's this video, here's this channel. which is doing pretty great, pretty amazing, because the estimated monthly revenue is, you can see here, is from between $400 to $6,000. Most of the cases, what we could see, like, from as a fact that most of the cases are like on the higher end. The revenue is on the higher end, depending on the CPM, of course, like how much they earn after 1,000 views. So, but we are looking for right now channels or topics, niches, which are like having like high CPM. Okay, so what you want to do is just go here on the YouTube. You put youtube.com, obviously, and then in the search bar you put it like luxurious lifestyle. Okay, this is what I already did. And then you just you find a lot of topics here, a lot of videos. But what you could do is to filter it out, and you put, like, you say channel, because you want to see the luxurious channels which are doing great. Okay, we're not going to start with this one which says Luxury Lifestyle TV, because they have 62 subscribers. But the good news, you could see all type of data, all type of informations. Luxury Lifestyle, this one has 14.5 thousand subscribers, so it's pretty great. So probably you could check this out. But you can compare right away that, look, this has, like, the first one, Luxury Lifestyle, this has 62 subscribers but has 86 videos. So you can kind of compare it, because this one below, it has like not really more, like 50% more videos already uploaded, 127, but they already have above 14,000 subscribers. So that can tell you a lot of things. So if I were you, and if I want to do some luxury lifestyle channel, in that case I would completely do the research about this channel, because they are doing something great. So you can check their data and stuff like that. But you can go down below. Look, this one, Lifestyle Production Group, has 125k subscribers, so it's pretty great. More than 400 videos. So I would also recommend you to do the research about their channel, about their videos. How we are doing the research? Pretty easy. You just click on their channel. It's going to show their channel. Probably there is an introduction video which is going to start just right away. Here we're going to stop this one, and what you want to do, you go for videos. Here you just click on videos, and then you sort it out, sort by the most popular ones, so you can start doing your research through that. I don't say to copy all those videos, but you can collect your ideas about that. Or let's just see another one very briefly. This is like 17 most beautiful islands in the world. This is also a very great channel, also about kind of like luxurious things. As I mentioned, you can like luxurious, okay, lifestyle, but you can niche it down, like go more detailed, be more specific, like luxurious destination, travel destinations, or something like that. This channel mainly focusing about that. So it's a travel video. Traveling, it's extremely popular, mainly nowadays. And you could see right away here, if you already downloaded the Social Blade application, that this channel is doing between $700 and $11,000 a month. Okay, so you can see all those data here. And then about how to find this page is about like free images, free videos, and you can also find free music as well for your videos. This is going to be another topic. This is going to be another video. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you want to know more about how to do like $230 a day on YouTube without making any single videos, I highly recommend you to check down below in the description part. There's a link for a completely free webinar. And in that webinar you can go through step-by-step instructions how you can start your own YouTube channel without ever making any single video or ever showing your face. So if you like this one, I hope you liked this video. I hope you found some value in that. Please leave me some comment. I would really want to know what you're thinking about this, which phrase you are in or at, what are your goals with YouTube. I'm going to read all the comments. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it, and see you in the next video.